everyone! Today I'm gonna teach you how to paint an avocado. First, let's take a medium green marker. Next, I'm drawing an avocado shape like this. Now I'm painting it. Make sure you stay within the lines. Have you noticed the pattern on the avocado? Let's take the dark brown marker to draw the avocado seed. And I'm painting it with a lighter brown marker. I'm using a light green marker to paint inside the avocado. Have you ever tried avocado? Do you like it? Don't forget to tell me in the comments which fruits you'd like me to paint next. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now I'm using a darker green marker to add a shadow around the avocado's face. Like this. Now it's time to draw its eyes. Let's give it a smile. And painting its cheeks in pink color.
Wow!
Thank you for watching. Bye!